See that clip, that young lady in the middle there, Mercy Tarus, confronted the Uasin Gishu leadership in a town hall. And if you missed it, take a look, listen what she had to say.
Twitter meeting, sisi na wazazi. Your daughter, probably she's earning her euros in the UK right now. Of course, mtu akienda majuu lazima endeshe gari, that will go without saying. So, I am going to tell you the truth. You are very mean with the truth. You keep lying, you smile at us with a very smooth tongue and very soft face that looks like it is very innocent, but you keep on lying and lying.
In fact, today I'll be more depressed because of the stories we have been having. These have been stories. We know the program from the beginning. We knew we have to pay the amount. Our parents worked hard. They paid. And now, tunashungushana. Seriously. Personally, I was in some media stations. I called them goons, or I called them like your people or the people of a governor.
You know, Lulu, it's good to see at least they're confronting their leaders. Hopefully they'll